Hey everybody, welcome to this video. Let's continue on. Actually, there's a lot of shortcuts. If you open your Windows, there's a button called Window, and if you click Window and the left arrow key, you're gonna see the following. So if you can see, I'm on this page. If I click Window and left arrow or right arrow key, I'm gonna take that page and split that page to two sections. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I need to take this tab outside, so I'm gonna have like two tabs right now. So click the first tab with Windows key and the left arrow, and we'll choose this page, the ChatGPT page. So right now I have the two pages next to each other. So I will start working on the content. So let me start working on the hero section. So I'm gonna copy the text from here and just replace it here. So notice once I copy the text, it's not formatted, or it's formatted. So I need to remove that format. So in order to remove that format, you need to come to this tool, text area.link, and you copy the whole section from the text area.link. So let me copy the entire prompt from ChatGPT. So let me go here, copy, and go here, paste. So let's start with the first content. So I click on the arrow, click on arrow till I reach the main section, and now I start copying. So I will go to this fast reliable stowing service, copy the text, and go here, Control A in the keyboard. So you click Control A, you select all the text. So Control A, and then you click on the Control V to paste, or Command V in Mac. So this is the first text. This section I'm gonna copy it as well. So copy from here and paste that text. All right, the call us now. Should be call us now, not get started. So I'll replace that text as well. Learn more gonna be same as learn more. And here we can see our achievement. Our achievements. I can see our gallery. So notice the word gallery. I'm gonna replace it because I don't have achievements right now. I have gallery. So, but I need to make sure that we are typing that correctly. All right, our gallery. So this is gonna be instead of free preview. I can make it a video in the future, but right now I'm just gonna stick with our gallery. And then I continue on. So this section 4.5, 100 positive review. That's good. The other sections, like this is the first section, 24/7. All right, 24/7. We can say 24/7. And vehicle towed, 20 plus years experience. All right, that's good. Let me just change this 20 plus years experience. 1,000 vehicle towed, more than 1,000. It's good statistics. And for this section, we're talking about always available. So 24/7. I'm gonna say 24/7, always available. All right, that's good. That's good. Good section. Got an issue with my connection, no problem. Can connect a different network. Let me see. All right. So let me continue on. We move into the next section. So we finished the first section with the hero. I move to the next section, our services. So inside our services section, if you notice, you can move on a little bit. So this is like mainly our services section. So here we put all the the services that we have. So we start with our services. Okay, this is our services section, but let me take a look here. This is the testimonials. All right, so let me go back to the top. So we put the services, the car towing, or we have like these two, and we have the truck towing, okay, we have car towing, vehicle towing. All right, so just alright, so vehicle towing is here. And we have truck towing. We have another one, and I'm not gonna use it, so let me just delete it. So we have 1, 2, 3. This is not used right now. Meet the author. We have meet the team. All right, so let me change this, meet the author, to meet the team. All right, and let me just replace the text. And here, CO, type the name. All right, now the customer testimonials. So let's start with customer testimonials. So this is the first testimonial from Michael. Let me just give it the name Michael, and this is the text of the testimonial. All right, we move on to Sarah. I'll just replace the name with Sarah and just put the text. Move on to the David. Just replace the name. Control A, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. That's it. And the last one is Emily. So we just type this here. So unless you have real testimonials, you can use them, but now just for educational purposes. Get started with adult towing today. This is the call to action. Yeah, we have here like don't wait. All right, and here we can just type our gallery as well, like I did here. And here just gonna type the call us now, the call to actions, call us now. And here you're gonna put the main service: car towing, vehicle towing, truck and SUV. So we go here, we just type car towing, vehicle towing, and truck and SUV, and this part list item and just click on the list item, layout, style list, main options. I take out the last option. Just make them 3. 3 is good. Style. Wait. Car term, vehicle term, and the last one is truck. Alright, and add the towing service. Get started now. And for the facts, frequently asked questions. Alright, for the facts, let me just go here. Facts. What area do you serve? This is the question. What area do you serve? We edit. The title. What area do you serve? Alright, and then we edit the body. Edit toggle items. So now we start editing the text. So this is the answer. Address. Yeah, we click on the done, and we go to the second question. How quickly you arrive? Do you arrive? We edit. Let me add the rest of the questions. Can you? Alright, are you service available? Just edit that title. And this is the last question. How do you? Alright, we start editing the title, so let's go here. Edit toggle items. Or expand. And we start editing the text. So the second question is, how quickly can you arrive? We expand and go move to the next section. So you notice this way is really great in terms of editing the content, because you're gonna see everything under your eyes, in front of your eyes actually. So that's really helpful, because you're not gonna miss anything. You just start from the top to the bottom. And we almost finished the entire sections. For the customer testimonials, we're going to do something with it. We're just going to generate images to replace these characters in the next video. But for now, don't forget to save the settings, save your work, and once you finish saving, we're going to continue in the next video, replace these images using ChatGPT.